Hey, today we're going to show some examples of commercial bamboo pens, handmade bamboo pens, and then how to use them. So it's Donna
and Eric
show today. All right, so here's a couple of commercial bamboo pens. You can see it's really a quite hefty pen. Let's see, that's one. And then we have another one that's double-ended. You can see that they're very different in size. But the knuckle is in the middle of this one and it's on the upper third of that one. You want to think about that because the knuckles are almost impossible to cut. Here's another bamboo pen. This actually has a brand name on it, Niji. Again, kind of exotic type of cuts on it for you. And another double-ended pen like this one, longer but smaller in diameter.
Hey Donna, do you know why they have this sort of long piece?
I don't know.
Yeah. So I would guess that it gives it flexibility, but that's a good question.
But bamboo is not flexible after it's dry. And here's, yes, you know, another one. I acquire supplies. So anyway, we're going to teach you how you don't even have to buy these. You could make them yourself.
So one of the things that we have here is a nice fresh green piece of bamboo.
I cut it 3 days ago.
Yeah. Here's one that's much older. Still looks pretty green, right? But when you start applying some sort of carving to this, or even a saw, you're really going to be fighting the fiber of the bamboo.
There's a reason why the Japanese use bamboo as armor. All right, so first you acquire green bamboo. You cut it with a saw. You have to get it out somewhere to your house or studio. So I acquired push in, pull out.
See, this is why Donna's here.
And then it locks. Did it lock?
Yeah,
then it locks. So, you know, I acquired this at Costco 1 year with actually a set of clippers too. Not like I don't have enough clippers.
Yeah, and then I just ran to the Daiso store in case you're trying to find something from your local wherever. So this was at the Japanese dollar store in Concord, probably under $4. You could also get any sort of saw from a hardware store, local hardware store.
What's nice about this saw from Daiso, it's got smaller teeth and it is a dual action. It works sawing both ways, which a lot of saws do not.
Yeah, another thing, I mean, really, do I have, maybe you have a cordless commercial saw that's used for construction. Yes, that would totally work and save you a lot of time. Keep in mind the type of teeth that you have on it is what's going to help determine the quality of the cut.
And how much sanding you might have to do to it.
Yeah.
So we've got this piece of bamboo with quite a bit of foliage on it. We're just going to start trimming up that foliage, and you might decide to keep some of that. You could make pretty small pens with it. Here I am.
There we go.
Cutting away. And the next step we're going to do is, now that we've, made it cleaner, we're going to look at this bamboo, and you can see how beautiful it is. But look at all those knuckles that are going to be hard to carve.
So what can we do with this? I mean,
we can try a nice end here, or we could try an end here. All of this is unusable till we get back up here.
However, these might be nice for, as Donna mentioned, you can make stamps or pens out of them.
Yeah.
So that you might look at the pieces that you have and then evaluate what is the best use for them.
All right, so